Are you a Scout leader struggling to communicate with parents and members? Are contact details out of date? Are parents not getting the message? Have you hassle collecting payments and organising activities? GDPR data concerns and also big child safety worries? Komeer has the answer. Komeer provides an easy-to-use and secure platform that makes it a cinch for Scout leaders to communicate with parents, save money on SMS costs, organise events, and collect payments for memberships, activities, and Scouting trips. Komeer also provides some really clever GDPR management and health checks to make sure that you and your members' data are up to date and fully compliant. With Komeer, you can save up to 85% on your Scout group communication costs. Collect payments securely by card or by direct debit, and avoid the risk of GDPR nightmares. To find out more and sign up for a free trial, please visit www.komeer.com.